Hangouts Chat is a really helpful tool for your team, especially when you use a few tips. When you have a room, separate conversations into threads by clicking New Thread, typing the topic, and then using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl B or Command B to bold that. So the beginning of each thread, each kind of section here, has a clear topic. When you have a new thread, use a new clear topic. Then people can reply to each section and each topic separately. One of the ways you can respond in a thread without having to add lines and lines of responses is with a reaction. Hold your mouse over a line, click on the reaction face, and then you can choose from any of the reactions there or search for one and respond that way. And as people respond, you actually get a tally of how many thumbs up and thumbs down, for example. So it can be a really nice way to get a quick overview of everyone's thoughts on something by using reactions. Once you get all these separate threads, they're called, or conversations, it can be kind of difficult to navigate between them. So one of the helpful things to know is the keyboard shortcuts. You can view keyboard shortcuts by using Shift question mark while you're viewing chat, and you can see a lot of different options here. I really like the navigating around conversations. So for example, if I select my room on the left side and then I use right arrow key, it will go over and select one thread at a time. And I can use the up and down arrow keys to move between the threads. And this is a really helpful way to move around quickly. Then within a thread, if I use the right arrow key one more time, it'll select one message at a time. And I can use the up and down arrows to navigate between messages and navigate through those conversations a little more quickly too. So as keyboard shortcuts, responding with reactions, plus separating topics by threads, and using a heading, almost like a subject in each, are really good ways to help organize and manage your Hangouts chats.